So today we'll be talking about WooCommerce. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app marketplace and you can search for WooCommerce. Here it is, WooCommerce for workflows. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account or multiple sub accounts. I'm choosing this one, which is available. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now back to the agency level. After that, the next step will be moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed. Here we are on the sub account. Now we have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to set up your WooCommerce account and go to the developer section to get the REST API keys. And here we are. We have to find for app configuration and find for WooCommerce. Get it configured. As you can see that we have already entered the data for the consumer key, consumer secret, and the base URL. You have not to enter any of your slash on that and submit with that. And it is successfully configured now. After that, we will be moving forward towards the automations and create a workflow to check on that the actions are working correctly or not. Start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow now, and we have to create a new action. Find for WooCommerce, it is. And these are the options for the actions we can create in the workflow builder and apply these in our workflows. So let's just pick anyone. Let's just create shipping zone. You can specify your state and your country code. Like right now, I'll be choosing California, USA. Save this action. Also create some notes with that. Find for custom values and WooCommerce for workflows. Shipping zone, we have entered the name. Save this action. Save this all, and now we will be testing our workflows. After that, let's just choose any of our contacts to just set an example at the moment. Run this test. Head towards the execution logs. It is loading at the moment. And now you can see it is successfully executed with the notes. So that's simple it is. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.